How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. In this video, I will be showing you 5 best apps that you should definitely download for the month of February. As always, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 2000 likes this time. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first app on our list goes by the name called Screeny. Screeny is an app where you can find some amazing home screen setups for your phone. It features hand-picked beautiful setups with all the information that you need to replicate them on your Android device. In the app, you can also filter setups based on different categories such as AMOLED, colorful, minimal superheroes and more. Guys, if you like any of this home screen setup, just tap on it and then swipe it up. You get all the information such as icon pack, widget name and the wallpaper itself. To download any of this required resources, simply select and it will take you directly to the Play Store. Apart from these setups, you can also use this application just for downloading some beautiful wallpapers as well. All in all, if you love customization, then I will surely recommend you to give this one a try. It is absolutely free to download. Next up we have DM-me. DM-me is an app which helps you to simplify your social life. Due to WhatsApp privacy issues, most of our friends and family members are using a different messaging app which causes a headache when you want to send a message to them. DM-me solves this problem by allowing you to set the priority of a messaging app. All you have to do is, you just need to specify what messaging apps you use and which are your favorites. Now simply select the contact you want to text and this app will automatically open your conversation on your favorite messaging app that you both use. For example, if I and one of my friends prefer to use Telegram, then it will open Telegram every time I send him a message. I think it's a must-have app since people are switching from WhatsApp to different messaging apps. Moving on, let's talk about widgets. The widgets that I'm currently using on my home screen is from a brand new pack called Square KWGT. This KWGT skin consists of more than 40 beautifully designed, unique and elegant widgets that will definitely make your home screen stand out. All these widgets that you see here are extremely gorgeous, and if you combine it with the proper wallpaper, then I'm sure you will have a beautiful home screen setup like this. Now Square KWGT is not a free widget pack, but I do have 40 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Next up, we have a very useful application called Paranoia Access. What it does is, it notifies you whenever any third-party app tries to access your camera, microphone, location, clipboard or even your Wi-Fi connection. Guys, I have already featured a very similar app called Access Dots, but that particular app works only for your camera and microphone. So if you are really concerned about your privacy and want to monitor everything in the background, then this app is perfect for you. Finally, we have Trendy. Trendy helps you to find out what's trending around the world. You can browse trending topics and see the current social media trends. You can also search headlines based on different countries, date and time as well. What I really liked about the app is the interface. It is very simple and clean, where you need to interact with these unique bubbles to read more about the topic. I think it's a really good app, especially for content creators and bloggers to keep up with the current trend. Definitely try it out. So that's pretty much it for this video. Guys, I quickly want to conclude by saying that it takes a lot of effort for making these kind of videos. If you love watching my videos, then don't forget to hit that like button, comment down what kind of videos you want to see in future, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.